Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device so the camera will work predictably. First, confirm your Surface Pro model and Windows version in settings because drivers differ across models. Then plug in power and any accessories and remove a physical cover. This prevents accidental obstruction. Once done, open the camera app from start. That launches the correct UWP interface and checks permissions. If prompted, allow camera and microphone access so apps can use the hardware. This saves time later when you record or video chat. Next, configure the camera so your image is clear and framed correctly. You choose front or rear using the flip icon, front for calls, rear for higher quality photos. Pick based on your need. Make sure to open the camera app settings to set resolution and aspect ratio. Higher resolution gives detail but uses more storage. Then adjust focus and exposure by tapping the preview and optionally enable HDR for balanced highlights and shadows. These steps improve image quality and avoid washed-out faces. Finally, record or capture once framing and settings are ready. Pick photo or video mode, then press the shutter or record button. After recording, review media in the Photos app, trim if needed, and share through Mail or OneDrive. This keeps files synced. If the camera fails, make sure drivers are current in Device Manager, reboot, and then reset the camera app in settings. That often resolves permission or corrupted state issues. If problems persist, check Windows Update for firmware, because that can fix hardware compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.